Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce Android Auto and Carplay on Volvo S80 1998 to 26 year. Okay, you can check this UI interface. You can choose time, you can choose logo. You can check Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Belsee and change its color with any color. You can this panel. Okay, let me check the settings. System. But motion you can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, let me back the home. Okay, let me introduce this adapter, Carplay and Android Auto. Let me open the adapter. You can check this use menu. It's Android Auto. And Carplay, iPhone is Carplay. Okay, let me check the USB adapter. Okay, you can check there are two USB ports. AutoKit USB adapter. Okay. For now, you need to install the AutoKit application. There are two USB cables. This is USB driver. You can get the application from us connected. The head unit will play music automatically when you connect the USB. The volume button. Okay, let me back the home. Let me install AutoKit APK. It's AutoKit. Okay. Open it, please allow. Okay, there working mode, speed, fluently, comfortable. Okay, this plug and play. Let me connect the USB adapter. Okay, when you connect it, it will show the information. Please click OK. Okay, let me introduce Android Auto. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. You can check. You need to install the Android Auto from your car at first, from your phone at first. Sorry. Okay, let me check the software information. About phone, you can check this Galaxy S8 Plus. Software information Android 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. This is USB, original USB from Samsung. Okay, connect the USB cable. And this is USB. When you connect it, it will show connecting. Okay, it will show Android Auto. Okay, it work with Android Auto. Okay, you can play music. You can make a phone call. Okay, let me disconnect. Let me play the introduce Carplay. Okay, this is my phone, iPhone XS. Okay. This USB cable from Apple. You must use the original Apple USB. Let me connect the adapter. Okay, let me connect. Let me open the phone. Okay, you have to note Siri and search. You need to enable this Siri. Okay, let me check the version software. You can check this iOS 12.1 version. Okay. When you connect, it will show connecting. Okay, it works with Carplay. Okay, you have this UI interface. And you have maps. You can touch control. Okay. You can make a phone call of this play and message. You can listen to music. It's a home page. Okay, this is Carplay. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Belsee. Back to home. Okay, thank you. That's all.